Hello everyone, Philip from BlackBull Market update on the AUD CAD. Now we do know in a couple of hours we've got RBA rates coming out. So currently what we're seeing here on this weekly time frame, we can see we had this consolidation back here in December of last year. Now moving forward to where we are now, we can see after this big drop and push back into the zone. So this is quite a fairly big zone. In between here, these two lines is roughly about 140 pips. So quite a nice, decent move. Now, what we can see here is we do see a bit of a wick and a bit of a rejection here. So moving forward to our lower term time frame, our 4-hourly time frame, what we can see is we do see some rejection here on this 0.90215 level we got here. We can start to see the markets moving up. Now, it is a bit of a heavy traffic movement over here, but what we need to keep in mind during this RBA, this could push some volume into the market, because we see what happened here. We had some sort of slow movement pushing to the upside, a bit of these higher lows, and then we saw this big explosion. So we could see a similar sort of structure form here, regardless of the previous history we had. Now we have to be quite careful about this, because if we do see a push up, we could as well see it push straight back down because of this consolidation rate. So, that we also had here on the monthly time frame. So that's why it's so important to use those take profits and stop losses. So if that doesn't happen, if we do see a push or a break of this sort of support we have here, we could actually see it completely taking back this gain we had around about the 24th, 23rd of April. So that could be another option for us pushing down into this major consolidation zone we have on the 4-hourly time frame. We can see here it could actually cover that full candle that we had on the previous week, bring back that complete gain over there. So coming to rest potentially on that weekly support as well. So we've got those two options, either a wick fill to the upside depending on what happens. We also are in the Asian session right now, so we do know the Australian market is being traded as well. So that could cause a push up. If we do reach this top before this RBA rate, and this does happen to be good for the Aussie, we could actually see a push further higher. We do have a bit of a support coming up roughly around the 0.91 or 0.92 mark, a nice psychological level. So we could maybe see that get hit if we do happen to break this overall resistance. So again, two options: either fill that wick, or we could see it come crashing back down, completing the gains we had of the previous day.